Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'll be solving fourth sum of exercise 1.2 of chapter Knowing Our Numbers of Standard 6th. So let's see what the question is telling. Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees so many in the first week of June and books worth rupees so many in the second week of the month. Month means the same month, the June month. Okay. So how much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Okay, this is the first part of the question. They want together books. Together books means you have to just do addition, because together means you have to do addition. Then in the second part, what they are asking, in which week was the sale greater and by how much? Okay, so let's do the first part first, then second part we'll see later on. Okay, so the first part they are asking to do us together books, how many they have sold. So in order to do together, let us do addition. Addition. Books sold in the first week. How many they are? How much worth? 2,85,891. So much rupees books they have sold in first week. Now in the second week, how much was the worth for the books? 4,768. Okay. Now in order to find the total number of books sold, you have to just do addition here. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, then 8, 9, and then 7, 16. Okay, next is 5 plus 1 is 6, then 8, and then 4 plus 2 is again 6. Okay, so total 6,86,659 rupees were there for this books of both the weeks. Okay, now since, see the second part has started now, since 4,768 is greater than 2,85,891. Okay, from where did I get these numbers? These are in the question. Okay, so now since this is greater than this, we can say that the sale of second week is greater than that of the first week. Why second week is greater? Because 4 lakh, this is for the second week they have given here, and 2 lakh, this is for the first week they have given, isn't it? So with this we can say that the sale of the second week was greater than the first week. Then what they have told, by how much difference was there in between the 2 weeks. Okay, so to find out that, let us write down books sold in the second week. First, why am I writing second week's books? Books means amount of the books here. Okay, because second week there the sale was greater, so always for doing subtraction you have to write the greater number on the top. So let me write this first here. 4,768. Then the book sold in the first week. First week how much? It is 2,85,891. So when you do the subtraction here, you will get the extra books that were sold in the second week. Okay, by that much amount profit has become in the second week. Okay, so 8 minus 1 is 7. 6 minus 1 you cannot do, so just borrow here. 16 minus 9 you get 7. Then 6 minus 8 again you cannot do, again you have to borrow. 9, 9, and then 1. So 16 minus 8 is again 8. Okay, 9 minus 5 becomes 4. 9 minus 8 becomes 1. 3 minus 2 also becomes 1. Okay, so therefore 1,14,877 extra books were sold in the second week. So here in this question there are two parts. In the first part they have just asked you to do addition. Okay, addition of both the weeks. Both the weeks, how much was the amount, that you all have found out together. You have just done a simple addition. Okay, in the second part what we have done, we have written the second week sale first, then we have written the first week's sale. Okay, then we subtracted it. Okay, so this is the extra amount of the books that were sold in the second week. Okay, I hope you have understood this sum. Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming videos.